Hello, Pearland ISD community. My name is Larry Berger. I'm the Assistant Superintendent of Support Services, and I'm here to try to answer the question of what are we doing to make sure that our buildings are clean, safe for our staff, our students, and all of our community. So in the transitional process that we're asking teachers to focus on, we are giving every classroom a bottle of EPA-approved disinfectant and towels. And what we're asking the teachers to do to help end the spread of the virus is to spray the disinfectant on the towel so that it's not aerated in the air, and then use that disinfectant to wipe the desktops, to wipe the computers and keyboards, and to make sure we focus on the knobs and the switches and any other area that a student may be touching when they transition from one learning assignment to another. Outside of what teachers are doing to help us in the classroom, a lot of the parents want to know, what are you doing in addition to help keep my child safe when in the school? So what we have done as a district is we have added additional custodial staff to the day. We want the custodians to focus on the areas of the restroom, the hallways, the cafeterias, the gyms, the high traffic areas and high touch areas. We know kids walk through the hallways and they run their fingers along the wall. We know that kids go to the restroom and don't necessarily focus on washing their hands, but we want to remind them each and every day, wash your hands. But in addition to that, we need to wash behind them as they go into the restrooms. So we've increased the capacity of our custodial staff to focus on the areas that needed to be cleaned. They're not doing what they did, they're doing more than what they did. So we want to make sure that we fight the virus, disinfect the virus, and keep every area that a child can touch as clean as it can possibly be throughout the day. One question that's come up is these fogging machines that we're going to use in the building to help disperse the disinfectant spray. We're going to use this process on a routine basis during the school year, but we're also going to use it as a rapid response in case there is a positive test case that comes to us from a campus. So what happens is we get notified that a student or a staff member is positive. So therefore, we find the area, we shut the area off, we try to let it sit for 24 hours to allow the molecules and aerosol to settle, and then we go in and rapid respond with the fog machine. It's not just a bug spray. The reason we are using this technology is to make sure that we get deep cleaned. And what that means is we're getting in all the cracks and crevices and places that people touch and viruses can live that we don't necessarily touch on our daily cleaning schedule. Because you may be wiping the top of the desk or the side of the desk, but you're not getting in all those places where little fingers and germs may be living. That fogging system gets into there, adheres to that virus, kills the virus, and allows us to repopulate that room in a safe and healthy way. Pearland ISD is focused on the safety of our students and our staff. Part of that concern deals with making sure that we wear our mask and wash our hands. Personal accountability is number one. Please make sure, wear your mask, wash your hands. Together, we will keep ourselves and our buildings safe so that we can come back and learn the Pearland ISD way.